In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to see or view your Instagram password if you completely forgot your IG password and you wish to access that specific password. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, it's very common, this might be the case, you wish to change your Instagram password and it's asking you for your old password that you need to type in before changing your IG password. And since you do not remember it, you might be in a situation where you are stuck, so do not worry because this video is here to help you out. It might also be the case where you wish to, for example, log in into a different device and you do not remember your password. So as long as you're here, logged in into your device, or if you've logged in the past, this is going to be very easy for you to actually perform, okay, in order for you to view the password so you can actually log in into a different device. For example, I'll give you a quick example. If we hop into Instagram here real quick, let's tap here on my profile. By the way, this is my profile. If you want to link up, please hit me up here on WhatsApp and we'll be in touch. Next up, for example, if I tap here on the top right corner, we've got these 3 horizontal lines in here. Next up, if I tap, for example, here on account center at the top, and then if I tap here on password and security, and then if I tap here on change password and then select my IG account, it's going to ask me for my old password. As you can see, it says that my current password has been updated on 10/9/2022. And it asks me to type in my old password if I wish to change into a new password. So this is the issue. You're stuck in here, you do not know your old password, and the only option that shows up in here is forgot your password. You do not need to go with the forgot your password option. I'm going to show you how to view it, because if you go through forgot your password, it might be the case that your account could be on hold for a few days for security purposes, right? So the first method for you to double check before going through this is the following, okay? So we'll be going back, we'll be closing Instagram, and then we'll quickly hop into Safari or the internet browser that you regularly use when you browse through on the internet. Next up, we'll be going to Instagram.com, okay? Simply hop into Instagram.com real quick, and then simply tap here on login as if you wish to log in into your Instagram account. Okay. If it opens up your IG, for example, simply close it and go back into your internet browser and simply go manually to the Instagram.com website. Now, once you're here, simply tap here, and then it's going to ask you to fill automatically the details of your Instagram account. This is very common. Normally on iPhone users, you've got a default option where your IG account gets saved into your keychain in here. As you can see, it says, do you want to sign in to Instagram.com with your password for, this is my IG in here. I'm going to tap on fill password. It's going to use my Face ID, and then it's going to automatically fill my username and my password down here. Now, next up, the next thing you need to do is simply tap here on this option to unhide that specific password. It's going to unmask and show it to me. For example, as you can see, I'm going to hide this with my finger, and then I'm going to tap in here to unhide, and the password has been shown here to me. As you can see, it ends up with a 2 down here, right? I'm going to hide it real quick because I don't want to show it to you guys. But of course, this is the way you have to access your specific password in here. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, or we can also link up on Instagram. You can hit me up on Instagram and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.